Hi, my name is Lily. My claim to fame is that I've been living in dormitories for way too long. So I think that I have extensive knowledge on what to bring to your dormitory. Perhaps it's your first year, or perhaps previous years you weren't satisfied with your dormitory living. So here are some things I recommend for you. First of all is a teapot. Now, I do drink tea, so this is very helpful. I just fill it with water and pop it in the microwave and heat it up. But it's also useful for like cup noodles because I feel like it gives me less microplastics. Filling the cup noodles with water and putting it in the microwave. Perhaps I'm making things up, I probably am. You don't need the electric kettles. In fact, you probably won't have enough plugs, so you'll probably won't have to unplug something to plug in the electric kettle. So I think that's more hassle. So just having like a microwavable kettle, I think is plenty. Now, I need this. Does everyone else need this? I don't think so. A coffee maker. I'm the type of person who, as soon as I wake up, I need coffee. Before I get dressed, before I head out, it's either coffee or I'm dead. Most people are like that, and if you have a meal plan and you eat breakfast, you'll probably get coffee there. So it's more hassle to clean and to like buy coffee pods than it is to, use your other resources. You probably have plenty at home, so but extension cords. Like you said, you have very limited outlets, so having more outlets that you can utilize, and you definitely want ones with breakers. When I leave for the weekend, I like turning them off just so I know I'm not the one who's gonna set off the fire alarm and then everyone's mad at. I use my TV. I don't think 90% of people need a TV. Most likely you'll have a friend with an apartment that's better to watch things at their place, unless you want to be the person who has watch parties and LAN parties. I really wouldn't bring it. It's so bulky and you probably won't be in a room for that long. So I just think it's not useful for most people like it is for me. You will also need a medicine cabinet or a medicine box with Tylenol, ibuprofen, Benadryl, quart of flu medicine. You'd be like, I can get those when I'm at college, but things always happen, so you just want to always have them on hand. And then you'll regret not having them. So parents are gonna be mad when I say this. I don't think most students need a vacuum. I need a vacuum. Most dormitories I've been into, the front desk has one. Yes, they're bulky vacuums and old vacuums, but they get the job done for most students. Why am I special? Well, I'm not special, but why do I need a vacuum? Because I have a football and I have dog hair all over my room constantly. I vacuum weekly. Most of you are not vacuuming weekly. So I think this is just one more thing that you really don't need. And so I hope these are some useful tips and things to think about when you're moving into the dorm that might make your life easier.